Kung naghahanap ka ng best budget fiber internet para sa gaming at streaming, ito na ang sagot. So, ito na yung Globe Prepaid Fiber. Pero bago natin pag-usapan kung bakit ito ang best choice, alamin muna natin ang dalawang mahalagang factors sa gaming and streaming. Ito yung internet speed at ping test. When it comes to ano ba talaga yung difference ng internet speed versus the ping for gaming. Sa internet speed, kailangan mo ng mabilis na download at upload para sa smooth streaming and fast game downloads. For gaming and streaming, aim for at least 25 Mbps for HD quality and 50 Mbps for 4K streaming. So kaya pumapasok dito yung Globe Prepaid Fiber natin kasi up to 50 Mbps yung connectivity niyang ino-offer. Okay? When it comes to ping naman, ang ping ay ang time na kailangan ng data para mag-travel from your device to the server. Para sa gaming, mas mababa ang ping, mas maganda. Kaya aim for 20 millisecond to 50 millisecond para sa smooth na gameplay. So, when it comes to Globe Prepaid Fiber, yun, pasok na pasok yung millisecond natin when it comes to server. Pero, magdidepende pa rin yun sa game server. Okay? So, bakit nga ba Globe Prepaid is the best for Pinoy gamers? Super bilis ng speed. With Globe Prepaid Fiber, kaya mong mag-stream ng 4K videos at mag-download ng malalaking game files nang walang lag. Sa 50 Mbps, saktong-sakto lang yan. Pero meron ka ring option dito na mag 100 Mbps. Depende lang yan sa loading. So, ito rin yung Globe Prepaid Fiber is low ping for gaming. Perfect for competitive games like Mobile Legends, Valorant, Dota 2, Call of Duty dahil sa stable and low latency connection nito. Guys, ito na. And the best choice is budget-friendly siya, guys. Walang lock-in period. Pwede kang mag-load ng plans na swak sa budget mo. As low as 700, may 50 Mbps ka na for 30 days. Ayos, no? Ayos. Kaya yun yung Sa setup naman, plug and play lang. Hindi mo na kailangan ng technician para mag-setup. And the best dito, guys, is itong Globe Prepaid Fiber is walang data capping. Kaya stream, game, download, wag matakot hanggang maubusan. Okay? For the G50 prepaid, meron kang 50 Mbps sa halagang 700 pesos for 30 days. So meron ka ring 150 prepaid. So sa 150 is mag-load ka ng 1,500 for 90 days. So saan ka pa? Sulit na sulit. So para ma-maximize mo yung gaming experience mo, pinadalan tayo ng dual band na router ni Globe para sa 5 GHz gamitin natin for gaming and streaming para mas mabilis at stable ang internet connection. Okay? Pwede ka ring mag-wired connection. Gumamit lang tayo ng Ethernet para mas mababa yung ping. Kaya for gamers, PC users, laptop, i-connect nyo dito kasi naka-pre-activated na po yung cables natin dito. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Then, huwag nyong kalimutan i-optimize, ilagay yung Wi-Fi na router sa gitna ng bahay para mas maganda yung signal and makuha nyo yung lahat ng device. Okay? So, yun nga, best budget fiber internet for Pinoy gamers. Affordable, swak sa budget ng mga Pinoy gamers, reliable, stable yung connection, lag-free and buffering-free streaming. Kaya yung GFiber Prepaid is very flexible. No lock-in period, guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Walang lock-in period yan. Kaya pwede mong i-try. Walang commitment. Kaya mag-apply na online. So ready na sa next level gaming at streaming experience. Try nyo yung Globe Prepaid Fiber ngayon. Visit nyo lang yung gfiberprepaid.globe.com.ph para mag-apply online and mag-pay through GCash. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Subscribe and check out Elmer Shock's networks for more.